So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if Netflix website says your browser is no longer supported on the Chrome browser any of the browser that you use on your laptop. Now, for example, let me show you for the Chrome. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the Chrome browser, go to the Chrome browser, and here search for update Chrome right there, or hit update with respected to the browser's name that you have, and hit on this option of first website that says about, or that says how to update the browser. You can follow the steps to update the browser. For example, it says on your open Chrome, go to help, then go to update about Chrome, then go to then here I can find checking for updates, and I can and here it says updating Chrome, that is updated about 50%, and that will definitely solve a problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.